We live in an era of silent burnout. Millions of people push through stress daily, ignoring the invisible signals their body is sending until it's too late. But what if your health wasn't just a data on a screen? What if it was alive? This is the problem with current health monitoring. It's boring, it's cold, it's just numbers. A heart rate of 110 bpm on a graph doesn't make you feel anything. It doesn't urge you to act. We disconnect from our own data because it lacks empathy. We need a way to make invisible visible.
Introducing NeuroTwin, your cognitive health visualized. NeuroTwin isn't just a dashboard, it's a real time interactive digital twin that mirrors your internal physiological state. Let's see it in action. Here we have a custom hardware, an ESP32 microcontroller connected to a Plux oximeter sensor. It streams live biometrics data via WebSocket directly to our platform with zero latency. Watch what happens when the stress makers rises. As my heart rate increases, the twin doesn't just show a number, it reacts. The twin enters a stress state, it jitters, it grows amber, it looks uncomfortable. This creates an immediate visceral connection. You instinctively want to help it, and by helping the twin, you help yourself. But we don't just show you the problem, we give you the solution. Our integrated AI engine analyzed the live stream to detect anomalies like tachycardia and hypoxia. It instantly prescribes actionable advice like specific breathing exercise to bring you back to baseline. And just like that, as you calm down, so does your twin. Under the hood, NeuroTwin is built on robust top. We use 3.js and WebGL for high fidelity 3D rendering directly in the browser. For security and user management, we leverage Google Firebase. This handles authentication for seamless login and sign up, ensuring your data is safe and accessible everywhere. User can easily manage their account, including secure password, reset if needed. Plus, the entire platform is fully mobile friendly, so you can check on your twin anytime, anywhere. NeuroTwins move healthcare from reactive to proactive. It turns data into empathy and stress management into something you actually want to engage with. This is the future of personal well-being. Thank you.